Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cocos token. Few days back, Cocos broke out the resistance of a falling wedge pattern, and this was the video when I showed you that the price line of Cocos has broken out the resistance of a falling wedge, and it is still moving sideways after this breakout. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line will continue its move to the upside or it is going back down to test the support that I showed you in this video. Now, let's move to the chart. But before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So first of all, let me show you this harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that Cocos has completed on the daily time frame chart, because we can also follow these Fibonacci based targets, and we can also follow the targets as per the falling wedge as well. You can see that the price line has completed the final leg of the guardrail move on the daily time frame, and our sell targets can be from $3.66 and goes to $5.50. And I'm just playing the chart, and you can see that the price line is gearing up, and after some move to the upside, now it is moving sideways. Now let's take a look at the breakout that we had on the daily time frame from this falling wedge pattern. And you can see the price line entered in this falling wedge pattern here in the month of November 2021. Here we touched the support, here we test the support 2 times more, and we were testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, eventually the price line broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and after this breakout, the price line is still moving here at $2.40 approximately. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, then we can see that if I show you the recent highs of the price line, we had a major high here, and the recent high we have made here. Now, let's take a look at the RSI. RSI below the price line has formed this high, below this high, and the next high is higher than previous high. The price line is forming lower high than previous high, but the RSI is doing opposite, and it is forming higher high than previous high. So there is also a bullish divergence appeared on the daily time frame. Therefore, we can expect that this move will be continued to the upside. Now, if we watch the resistance that the price line has found after this breakout, then we can see that we have so many touch points here, and we also have some touch points at the support as well. So here the price line has formed another symmetrical triangle, and why I am calling it as a symmetrical triangle, because it is moving in a symmetrical way, and you can see here the support and resistance will meet if the price line will continue its move inside this triangle. Now, after this breakout, if we will have a breakout from this symmetrical triangle, the next imminent target in the immediate short term can be after the breakout approximately $3.24, and the resistance of the symmetrical triangle is approximately at $2.60. And I'm expecting that after the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, this move can be continued to the upside, and this can lead to a very big move. Now, let me just show you the target for this breakout from this falling wedge on the daily time frame. I already have shared the targets with you in my previous video as well. And by the way, this is the chart that I shared for my members, and you can see here our first target as per this falling wedge will be $3.87, and the final target can be $5.35. And our stop loss is still remain the same that I shared in my last video with you. That was a very strong support we are having here. That is a key support for the price line of Cocos at $1.80. And you can see previously, this is by the way on the weekly time frame we are watching, it has been breaking for several weeks as a resistance, and now it is breaking for previous several weeks as a support. And this should be used as our stop loss. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.